Hello everyone, I'm Jelena Misic, and for all of you who don't know me, I'm medical esthetician with more than 20 years of experience in work. I had my skincare center almost 19 years in my birth town, and I sold that business last year. And last 7 years I cooperated with the PhiAcademy as Master Educator, and I had more than 1,000 students from all over the world who attended my workshops or online courses. And last month I decided to step away from PhiAcademy and again to create my own business. For all of you who are entrepreneurs, you probably know how that is amazing to have your job in your hands and to build and create your goals and your path, your ideas and your vision by yourself and your team. That's the most beautiful thing in the world, and I'm so happy to do it again. I prepare opening of skincare center in Belgrade, and I'm so excited and so happy, and I invite all of you to come to visit me. I would like to host all of you. I have to offer you online courses for all of you who would like to work with me, to learn from me. I offer plasma fibroblast and microneedling course, which will last 6 months. 3 months we will work together, and plus 3 months you will have access to all material. It will be all about dermatology, all about techniques, how to perform the treatment step by step, very precisely and very detailed explained, to learn as quick as possible. And we will have Zoom calls each month, 3 times, once per month, that we can see each other, speak together, and share results, ideas, and try to learn the techniques as quick as possible. And also I have a possibility to come to my skincare center, to visit me in Belgrade, and to organize a workshop for you. It will be a one-day workshop, plasma fibroblast or microneedling, or mesotherapy, lipolysis, or any kind of treatment, cryotherapy, or other topics that I prepared for you. You can come to Belgrade and we can work together, one day in workshop, and then you can get access to online courses. Also, we can work together on improving your business and learning how to create your own courses, how to promote yourself worldwide, how to get students from all over the world, and how to create the courses step by step. I have a lot of experience in that area, and I will be happy to teach you all of that. That is what I'm coming to the next. That is my mentorship program. It will be 1 session or 3 sessions that I offer for all of you who already finished some kind of courses and you have already knowledge from some techniques, and you just need to improve a little bit. You just need some tips and tricks, and tips and tricks, and you don't know how to get some result. You can come to me and we can do in 1 session to improve your techniques. For all of you who are not experienced in some techniques, we can have 3 sessions and do it step by step. Each session lasts 1 hour, and I prepare a PowerPoint for you depending which topic you would like to work on. Also, that can be plasma fibroblast, microneedling, creating course, other skincare techniques, and everything that you are interested in to learn from me. I'm so excited. I'm so happy about those two news that I have my skincare center and the courses and mentorship, that I can host you and that I can work with you to teach you. And I'm so happy. I'm so happy, and I wish to all of you to try to find the sparkle in your business that drives you to create better and better each day and to feel satisfaction in your heart. That's the most important thing. Wish you all the best and see you soon. Ciao.